Hi everyone, in the previous video we created a digital human character with green background. As I promised earlier, I will show you how to replace the green background with any background you want. You can choose a picture or a video as background. To do so, we need to go to veed.io. You first create a free account, then log in. After you log in, click on Create Project. Click Upload File. Now choose the video you want to edit. First I will choose the video with the green background. Then click Open. Wait until the video is uploaded. Then click anywhere on the picture and scroll down to find the green screen button and click on it. Now click on the green background and it will change to black. Here you need to adjust the sensitivity until all the green disappears. Now we want to upload the background video. Click on Media on the left. Upload File. Select the background video and click Open. You want the background video to be in the back. To do so, right-click on the picture and click on Bring Backward. You can reposition the background and resize the human as you want. Wait until the background video is uploaded. Then we'll click on Play to see the result. Then click Done to export the video. I should mention here that a watermark will appear on the video because we are using the free subscription. If you want to remove the watermark, you will have to upgrade your subscription to a paid plan. I will not do this right now. Once the export is complete, click on the download icon and you save it locally. Once complete, open the file to see the final result.
My name is Lisa and I am a virtual character created online. Check out this video to learn how to create virtual characters for free. Thank you for watching. Before you go, subscribe to get new super cool videos.